Hey there, anime fans and newcomers! Ever wondered what exactly anime is and why it's so popular worldwide? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll dive into the world of anime, its origins, genres, art style, and why millions of people love it. So sit back, relax, and let's jump in. Let's start with the basics. Anime, pronounced, is a style of animation that originated in Japan. Unlike Western cartoons, anime features detailed artwork, expressive characters, and unique storytelling. But did you know that anime isn't just for kids? It covers all sorts of genres for every age group. Anime has been around for over a century. The first recognized Japanese animated film was made in 1917. But the real boom happened in the 1960s with the rise of, created by Osamu Tezuka, also known as the father of anime. Since then, anime has grown into a global phenomenon. One of the coolest things about anime is the variety of genres. Let's break down some of the most popular ones. Shonen action-packed series aimed at young boys, like Dragon Ball Z and Naruto. Shoujo romance and drama aimed at young girls, such as Sailor Moon and Fruits Basket. Isekai characters transported to another world with examples like Sword Art Online and Re:Zero. Mecha giant robot battles. Think Gundam and Evangelion. Slice of life, everyday life with a touch of emotion, like in Planet in Your Lie in April. Some people ask, is anime just another type of cartoon? Well, not exactly. While both are animated, anime has a different storytelling approach. It often features more mature themes, complex characters, and unique artistic styles. So while all anime are animations, not all animations are anime. Ready to start watching anime but don't know where to begin? Here are some beginner-friendly recommendations. For action fans, Attack on Titan and My Hero Academia. For comedy lovers, One Punch Man and Konosuba. For romance enthusiasts, Your Name and Toradora. For mystery seekers, Death Note and Steins Gate. And that's everything you need to know about anime. What's your favorite anime? Or are you just starting out? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you next time.